Well, everyone, that was the sound of my 1920s into 1930s Colonial 5-tube 2-weight grandfather clock. I'd say that this is probably one of my rarer clocks. I'm not 100% sure that it's rare, but it's probably rarer or uncommon. There's a bunch of amazing features. It has a nice design on the door. There's the pendulum and the weights. As we open up the door, the ticking in is kind of loud, but I like it that way. Something that's really cool about this is the whole side of it opens. Like, the whole part. Which is absolutely crazy. That's pretty sick, in my opinion. I don't know if you'd say the same, but I think this is one of my favorite clocks in the collection. There's a little chip in the wood right there, but oh well. And open the other side. Note that this light is not original. There's the movement with a reddish tint. There's the little governor thing. Also kind of different compared to your regular average Westminster Chime grandfather clock. Just stop talking for a second so you can listen to the tick. I'm gonna get a couple of views of this, of me just chiming it. I'm gonna show you the cylinder because at the hour it does something amazing. The tubes legit like vibrate for like almost like a minute straight, which sounds so nice. I know there might be some people that might disagree with me, but that's their opinion. You do you or whatever. There's the little cables. There's a little thing that just presses on the cylinder, and there's one of those gears that goes like straight up. There's a glimpse of the front of the movement. Okay, I think that's pretty much the inside of it. Turn that light off. As we go outside here, you can see the face. The second hand. Oh, I forgot to show you something inside. Hold on here. Sorry about this. Forgot to show you that. As you turn the hand, the cylinder moves over a little bit, which I think is also pretty cool. Note the silent and chime thing right there. Well, the switch. There's the second hand again. The moon face. There's one of the paintings on there. There's the other face. There's the other painting. Overall, pretty nice clock, honestly. There's the little logo thing. Colonial Manufacturing Company, Zeeland, Michigan. Which I believe they are, I think that was where they left off. They left off in Zeeland, Michigan throughout their whole time of service. I'm not too sure if they're still making clocks. There's the light again. I'm gonna just put the camera up against the tubes. Nice thing about these tubes, I think the reason why it sounds so good, well, in my opinion, I think it's because that the tubes are cleaned very well. To what it looks like, this clock was well taken care of. Got this on Marketplace for, I think it was 200 something. It was a lot, sure, yeah, but I'd say it was worth it. Shout out to the person who I got it from. That was just my cat just jumping from the, from something. Yeah, very nice clock. Also, I'd say that weight right there probably weighs at least 25 pounds. That thing is heavy. So, yeah. And also, these cables, after transporting it, they were off the spools, because obviously I did not do a very good job securing them, because I didn't even know that I would even do that. So, if I can, I'll try to put some pictures up of what they used to, what they looked like before I got them back on the spools. And I'll try to insert them on the screen right now, or I'll try to post them on one of my post things. But yeah. Well, hope you liked watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, folks.